How to change Netflix Kid account to normal? Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change Netflix Kid account to normal. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So basically in our app we just have one option. Here in our users we can add a profile, add a name obviously. And this option that I'm checking right now is the kids profile. So this is just for kids that are less than 12 years. So the parents have all the control on it. Obviously you can change the image and I'm gonna save it by now. But if I save it and if I want to edit, on top of our screen we have like a pencil. We can click on our kids account. And there is no way in our app to delete this restriction. So we have to visit configure of the account on the website, or obviously I'm going to click on it and this is going to open my web browser and I have to get my password and continue. In that way I'm going to be able to erase that restriction. But if you don't have the password, obviously what you can do is to delete this profile and confirm this, and obviously when you come back you're gonna be able to create a new one. Let me show you. I'm gonna reset my Netflix, and if I open it back I must to get into an user, and now here at the end I have the option to add a profile. So there what I can do is to create a new one but deactivate this option and obviously save it. And automatically I'm gonna have a different user without restriction. So this is how you can change Netflix Kid account to normal. Thanks for watching.